Hello and welcome back to this quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you change your Snapchat password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you have to open your Snapchat application. And after opening the Snapchat, just simply navigate to your profile by clicking this Bitmoji icon into your top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings. Now after coming to your profile of Snapchat, you just simply have to go to settings by tapping this gears icon into the top right corner. And after going to settings, you can see your password option down there. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 3. Enter the old password. Now after tapping to the password section, you just simply have to enter your current password into this box here to confirm your identity. Step 4. Set a new password. And after confirming your identity, just simply enter the new password that you want to set in your Snapchat. And simply repeat the password into the second row. And after that, click to this green save button and your password will successfully be changed. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.